Short-term treasuries and dumping agency MBS. Of course, as we detailed earlier, the timing of Waller's comments are convenient too, as shifting the Fed's holdings towards bills perfectly complements the Treasury's recently stated expectation that their bill share will rise above their prior 20% guideline. In other words, Treasury is going to issue more bills, and Fed will buy more of them as well. Waller's comments come as Dallas Fed Chief Lori Logan reiterated it'll likely be appropriate to start slowing the pace at which it shrinks its balance sheet. And Waller's comments come right on cue as the Fed's reverse repo facility saw a simply stunning $128 billion of liquidity sucked out of it over the last 2 days, a 22% drop across month-end. Source: Bloomberg. We warned 4 days ago this was coming, leaving the Ides of March in play for a liquidity crisis. Source: Bloomberg. So, unleash the dollars. And just like everything was higher, stocks went vertical, gold soared, Treasury yields plunged, and the yield curve steepened. In a good way, oil ramped up too, and so did crypto, even after the week it had. Small caps led the face-ripping melt-up on the week, with Nasdaq's big day today pulling it to a 2% gain on the week. The S&P managed gains on the week, thanks to today's melt-up, but the Dow ended the week marginally lower. Nvidia officially closed above $2 market cap today. For context, in October 2022, the company was worth $280 billion. Source: Bloomberg. Interestingly, while the last few months have seen vol up, spot up, in Nasdaq as traders chase the market with levered bets, the last week has seen vols decline as stocks soared, implying less of a FOMO fest. Source: Bloomberg. But demand for downside protection is still non-existent as skews test record lows once again. Source: Bloomberg. Bonds were aggressively bid today, led by the short end, 2Y-9 BPS, 30Y-5 BPS, dragging all yields lower on the week, again led by the short end. Source: Bloomberg. And that bull steepened the yield curve. Source: Bloomberg. Crypto had a giant week with huge inflows to BTC ETFs. Source: Bloomberg. Bitcoin roared up to just shy of $64,000 this week. Source: Bloomberg. Ethereum also spiked, all the way above $3,500 this week. Source: Bloomberg. The dollar tumbled today after Waller, but ended the week unchanged. Source: Bloomberg. Gold soared up near index highs. Source: Bloomberg. Oil prices also spiked today, breaking out to their highest close since November 6th. Source: Bloomberg. Finally, are these the vinegar strokes, Google it, of the melt-up rally top? Source: Bloomberg. Will the March FOMC meeting be used to introduce the public to not QE reverse twist? Because the first rule of Fed QE Club is you never mention QE. 33-988-117. More market stories on Zero Hedge. Great news, Genzers. Silver tsunami will trigger housing supply as baby boomers die. U.S. bank crisis looms as deposit outflows accelerated last week. Loan volumes stagnate. Eye-catching jump in inflation expectations threatens bonds. Never miss the news that matters most. Zero Hedge directly to your inbox. Receive a daily recap featuring a curated list of must-read stories. Show comments. Discrimination notice. Privacy policy. Disclosure. Disclaimer. Advertise with Zero Hedge. Copyright